Hey Finxters, in this video we will quickly discuss how we can declare a global variable inside a function. Now if you look at the screen, we have a global variable x. Now I call it global because it is outside the functions, that is, it is declared outside the functions, and so will be available throughout the program, that is inside as well as outside the functions. Now we have couple of functions foo and func. Inside foo we again have the variable by the name x. However, this variable is the local variable, that is, it is local with respect to the function foo. So now when we print the value of x inside the function foo, we get 25. However, inside func, when we use the value of x, it should use the value 20, because now we are using the variable x from its global scope. So the output in this case should be 100 plus 20, that is 120. Now let's check the output. So as expected, we have the outputs as 25, that is for foo, and 120, that is for the function func. Now consider a situation where we do not have the x declared outside the functions, and now we want to use the value of x which is inside the function foo and use it in the function func. Now will this code work? Let's check. So it doesn't work. So as you can see, we have a name error. So how we can fix this? A very easy and simple solution to this is using the global keyword. Something like this: global x. The global keyword is used to declare a global variable inside a local scope. So we declared the variable x as global inside the local scope of the function foo. Now this variable will be available to any other function as well as outside the scope of any other function. So what do I mean by that? Let me use the print statement and now print the value of x. So this is what I meant. We can use the value of x even outside the function. Now let's check the output. So as you can see, not only do we have the value of x available inside foo, but it can be accessed by the function func as well as by the print statement, which is not within any other function. So I hope that was clear. That was it for this quick and short video. I hope you liked it.